Tammy Slaton's remarkable transformation has been one of the most inspiring journeys in reality television history, and now the star of TLC's hit show 1000 LB Sisters has taken yet another incredible step in celebrating her newfound independence. After years of health struggles, weight battles, and emotional setbacks, Tammy has finally reached a point in her life where she is no longer just surviving but truly thriving. And what better way to reward herself for her hard work, determination, and perseverance than by purchasing the car of her dreams. Fans everywhere are buzzing as Tammy proudly showed off her brand new vehicle, a symbol of freedom, success, and the start of a whole new chapter in her life. For so long, Tammy's story was filled with heartbreaking moments. She spent years confined to her home and later a rehab facility, depending on family members, mobility scooters, and oxygen machines to get through her daily life. Transportation was always a challenge, and the thought of owning a car, let alone driving one herself, seemed almost impossible. Yet Tammy's fight to turn her life around, with the support of her siblings, doctors, and a growing fan base, has paid off. Her dramatic weight loss, commitment to lifestyle changes, and unwavering determination have not only improved her health but also restored her independence. Buying her own car is more than just a purchase. It represents a milestone that many thought she would never reach. When Tammy revealed the news, fans flooded social media with emotional reactions. Many viewers who have followed her journey since the very first season of 1000 LB Sisters said they were brought to tears seeing her beam with pride in front of her new car. Some even called the moment the most heartwarming scene in the show's history, as Tammy proved that no matter how difficult life may get, change is always possible with dedication and hope. What makes this purchase even more significant is that Tammy did not simply buy a practical vehicle for transportation, she chose a car that truly reflects her personality, her confidence, and her dreams. According to sources close to Tammy, she had been eyeing this specific car model for a long time, telling friends and family that one day she would be behind the wheel. That dream has now turned into a reality, and Tammy couldn't be happier. She reportedly spent weeks researching the perfect car, working with dealers, and ensuring that everything about the vehicle, from the color to the features, matched her vision. For fans, this achievement serves as a powerful reminder of how far Tammy has come. Just a couple of years ago, her mobility was severely limited. Simple tasks like walking to the bathroom or standing for more than a few minutes left her exhausted. The idea of driving seemed out of reach. But now, with her remarkable transformation, she not only has the ability to move freely but also the confidence to get behind the wheel. Her new car gives her the freedom to explore the world, visit places she once only dreamed of, and enjoy life in ways she was previously denied. This also marks an important turning point for her personal independence. For years, Tammy relied heavily on her siblings, Amy, Chris, Mishti, and Amanda, for transportation. While her family never complained and always supported her, Tammy often expressed her frustration at not being able to do things on her own. This car changes everything. She can now drive herself to appointments, go shopping without needing assistance, and even plan road trips that symbolize her newfound control over her own life. The symbolism of the car goes deeper than just transportation. For Tammy, it represents the freedom to move forward, literally and figuratively. It is a statement to herself and the world that she is no longer defined by her past struggles but is instead embracing a brighter and more independent foot. Fans have pointed out that Tammy's joy radiated in the pictures she shared, and the smile on her face showed just how much this moment meant to her. Beyond the emotional significance, Tammy's car purchase has also become a hot topic in celebrity and entertainment news. Outlets everywhere are covering her big reveal, with many applauding her for treating herself after years of hard work. Social media platforms like Twitter, TikTok, and Instagram have been flooded with congratulatory messages, edits of Tammy posing with her car, and even fan-made memes celebrating the iconic moment. Some fans have gone as far as to call it Tammy's victory lap in life, proof that she is finally winning after years of battling the odds. Her siblings have also shown support, with Amy reportedly posting a sweet message saying how proud she is of Tammy for accomplishing another drive. Chris, who has always been a source of tough love and motivation for his sister, also shared that seeing Tammy driving her own car felt like a dream come true for the whole family. It is a victory not just for Tammy but for everyone who has been a part of her journey. Another layer to this story is how Tammy has become an inspiration to viewers who are on their own weight loss or health improvement journeys. Many fans struggling with obesity or other health issues have said that Tammy's transformation gave them hope that change is possible. Seeing her drive her own car is a motivational moment for those who are fighting their own battles. It proves that victories don't always come overnight, but with persistence, they can be achieved. Interestingly, Tammy's car has also sparked speculation about what's next for her. Some fans believe this purchase is just the beginning of many more milestones to come. Owning a car could open doors to new opportunities, from travel vlogs to meet and greets with fans across the country. Others wonder if this means Tammy is ready to embrace an even more active lifestyle, perhaps exploring hobbies and activities that were once inaccessible to her. Whatever comes next, one thing is clear: Tammy is not slowing down anytime soon. She is embracing her new life with confidence and determination, and fans are excited to see where this road, both literally and metaphorically, will take her. The impact of this moment cannot be understated. For reality television, Tammy's story is more than just entertainment. It is a real-life testament to human strength and resilience. For years, viewers watched her face setbacks, health scares, and moments where it seemed she had lost hope. Many doubted whether she would ever turn things around. But Tammy has proven her critics wrong time and time again. The car of her dreams is not just a reward but also a symbol of victory over every obstacle that once stood in her way. In interviews, Tammy has often talked about how grateful she is for the support of her fans. She acknowledges that their encouragement, prayers, and messages of love have played a big role in keeping her motivated. This latest achievement has only deepened the bond between her and her audience, as fans feel like they are celebrating alongside her. Many have even said that watching Tammy succeed feels personal, as though a close friend has achieved something monumental. At the same time, Tammy has been clear that her journey is far from over. While she is proud of her progress, she has said she continues to work on her health and focus on her long-term goals. The car is a reward for how far she has come, but it also serves as a reminder to keep moving forward. In many ways, it represents the road ahead, filled with possibilities and adventures yet to be discovered. Ultimately, this moment will go down as one of the defining milestones in Tammy Slaton's journey. From being housebound and dependent on others to proudly standing next to her dream car, Tammy has proven that transformation is possible even when the odds seem insurmountable. Her story is one of perseverance, courage, and hope, and the car is just the latest chapter in a book that continues to inspire millions. For fans of 1000 LB Sisters and for anyone watching her journey unfold, Tammy's latest victory is more than just a headline. It is a moment that will be remembered as proof that no dream is too big when paired with determination and heart. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.